called Puma, left hand side. On a British car, that's passenger side. In the door well, there's a picture of a car bonnet there. Just pull it, you hear the click. That's released the bonnet to a safer position, and there's just a finger gap now. The bonnet catch is just here, and you can see it's yellow. Okay, it's just off to the left of the badge, and you just have to pull that towards you and lift it at the same time. And there you are, there's the mechanism. Just had to lift that. There's your bonnet strut, with the bonnet strut there. When you finish checking your oil levels, water levels, or whatever, make sure you replace all the caps, don't leave any tools lying around, and to close you drop from about 9 inches or 20 centimeters. It's a heavy bonnet, so it'll close easy. There, I heard a good click. There is no longer a finger gap. I can't move that. I'm double checking it's properly closed. Don't want that flying up on the motorway.